Sliders are one of the best pieces of equipment when it comes to adding variation to your training. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the best slider exercises to help you build lean muscle, sculpt the body you want, and take your training to the next level. Coming up. What's up? Carl here from Thrive Athletic Online, bringing you the best training tips and tools to help you go further, faster on your fitness journey. And on this channel, we do a lot of training videos to help you get leaner, stronger, and improve your body's overall performance. So if that's something you're looking to achieve, consider subscribing. And also, any equipment used in this video will be linked in the description below. Slider exercises can be an extremely valuable addition to your workout and help you hit muscles in different angles. By implementing slider exercises into your training, it will force you to stabilize and control the movement. Ultimately, this will help add a different dimension to your workouts while spicing things up from the norm. So today I'll be bringing you the best exercises that we use with sliders so you can add them into your training program. question of the day. Do you implement sliders into your training? And what slider exercises did you see today that you plan on adding into your training? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for checking out this video. If you found value in this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. If you want to see more content like this where we give you exercise variations, make sure you check out these videos. Until next time, peace.